I'm Blake Dorfman, and I'm teaching 7th and 8th grade entrepreneurship here at Laguna Blanca School in Santa Barbara, California.
And I'm Paul Chement, and I teach 9th through 12th grade entrepreneurship at Laguna Blanca.
So this is our first year. It's a pilot program, and we attended the Hawken workshop up at Mr. Blank's ranch over the summer. And so far, just a couple months in, it's definitely my favorite class to teach out of the 4 preps I have, and it's the one with the most intrinsic motivation. The kids really gravitate towards the subject matter, and they're coming up with these products and ideas together that are really solving problems here on campus. And Paul's been going off campus a little bit with it too.
Yeah, my juniors and seniors regularly go off campus. We just finished our first session with a local business, J7 Surf Shop. The students really enjoyed it, and the owners of the company really enjoyed the feedback. We're going to be doing another one over the next few weeks with a local travel company, and then I'm hoping to work with the Deckers Corporation and their Director of Global Insight for the third one. The students are most excited though about starting their own businesses, and they most appreciate it because it's so experiential. There's no textbooks, there are no worksheets. They're learning from the real world, and they really deeply appreciate that.
We presented to our Board of Trustees earlier this week, and actually we had the kids do it, and the board was incredibly impressed. And for us, we hope to see this grow into maybe a required elective. I think, 10, 20 years down the line, this is going to be something, considering, doing school better, as Doris says, this is going to be something that is hopefully part of curriculum everywhere, because it's really valuable and directly applicable.
And I really feel like I have the understanding of the first semester in the bag, but there are kids already asking about taking it for a second semester or a year, and this is where the advanced workshop would come in. I really need help designing that and getting that input from the experts, and I would really deeply appreciate something this coming summer.
Ditto. Thanks.